Today, we are looking for one of the most cleverly hidden geocaches I have ever seen, and quite possibly one of the easiest I've ever seen.
Hi, I'm Michael Wright, and I'm a traveling, adventuring, geocaching type of guy. I love to get out and explore new places and find cool hidden treasures. Well, sort of treasures, it's mostly toys, honestly. This is Adventures in Things. The beautiful Mount Douglas Park is one of my favorite places to visit and geocache, and for good reason. This 188-hectare park located in Victoria, British Columbia, or Saanich to the purists, has 21 kilometers of trails ranging in difficulty. With beautiful ocean views and temperate rainforests, this makes it the perfect park to hide some geocaches in. So it's no surprise there are over 30 caches here to find, and today I will show you 3 of them.
Okay, this one is called Mount Doug Misery, and as you can see, we're right in the thick of the woods here, and have to bushwhack, one of the things said, but I'm not sure exactly where you bushwhack to. There's not exactly, oh, there's a bit of a trail. Ow, ow! Why is everything so stabby out in the woods? Okay, yep. Okay. Yeah, love this, yep. Nature. Yeah. Oh man. Oh, what's going on here? Nailed that. Pull that thing out. That's crazy. Probably one of the best disguised geocaches I've ever seen. Someone has taken an ABS pipe, hello, and glued bark around it. That's incredible. That's brilliant. This is why you should do 100 caches before you plant your own, so you get ideas like that. Plant your own. We're planting caches. They're gonna grow. Good little fellas.
It is hidden in the hollow of an old tree, and they've put a white paint dot on it. So looking for a white paint dot right now, and a old tree, which seems pretty easy considering where we are. Check the hint, because there's like a fungus on the trees that is white, so it makes it hard to find the white paint. But it said it's in a fallen log with trees on either side of it. So I found it. Definitely not where the hints or anything were. Not in the base of a tree. not anywhere where it said, but here it is in all its glory. It was covered, said it would be. What do we have? All sorts of fun stuff. Planting stuff. Justice League stickers. Pretty much sums me up. A superhero. Oh, those look like, oh, USA. Some Yankee Doodle was here finding stuff. Hey, I'm a Yankee Doodle. All right, let's sign this and get on with our lives.
The next step was on to the easy geocache, but how easy was it exactly? Well, it was that easy, yeah.
This is quite possibly the easiest geocache I've found, but I have to be very stealthy. As you can see, there's people right behind me there, so I'm just gonna saunter over this way, walk through some mud, and then give her a little sign and go. That was really insanely easy.
Almost as easy as hitting that subscribe button.